Hi everyone, I'm Shannon and I'll be on the app for field rotation. And so nervous and worried for me the first go round, and so I know that this time around is not going to be any. But doing it once and seeing it through the first time is helping me manage my anxiety a little better. I'm doing my field placement with an agency in Wilmington, Delaware that does counseling, licensed counseling for children who experience domestic violence. They also and they have some shelters and do some foster care. So they started out only working with juveniles in foster care, and they grew, and now they're providing these services. So it's going to be a good placement for me. I'm excited. Um, Already got started on Monday. Spent all day there. So I can already tell I've learned a lot. So I know that this time around, what I'm looking to get out of it is, actual therapy with a person, a living human being, and applying the theories and the interventions that we've focused so heavily on through the program. Um, I wish everyone great luck, and I know we'll all get through this great. I'm doing the extended field, so take me a little longer, so I might not see you at the finish line, but if I don't, I still say congratulations, you made it.